Toccatina is the almost the last song in G position, but the first song we use with our 5/7. We learned that 1-5-7 in the key is C. Gotta learn it in G. Same idea, basically. You're taking your pinky and moving down in the left hand. That is. You're taking your bottom note and you're moving down a half step, and then you just add a note next to the thumb. Okay, so do that little warm up for the left hand in the top of the page. Be able to play that in both hands. You should probably just go back and forth like this. And notice how I'm moving my hand in to the fretboard, kind of touching the black. You should be able to do that. It should help you there, because a lot of people try to do it without moving, and it's kind of impossible. So don't be afraid to do that. They talk about tempo in this piece because they want you to think about your tempo when you play this or practice it. Start with your tempo slow. Really nice and strict. Staccatos. And if you know your 1 and 5/7 chord, then it should be easy because the left hand is just 1, 5/7. Okay? So the phrases are pretty easy to catch. The first phrase and the second phrase are similar, it's just we changed the chord. The first phrase we do a G chord, or the 1 chord. Second phrase we do the 5/7 chord. Then back to the 1 chord for the third phrase. The fourth phrase at measure 13 is the tricky part. Then we have an outlined chord. So we have a chord in both hands there. Arpeggio. Remember, arpeggio is when we split up the chord at different times. Alright? So the third phrase, the fourth phrase is probably the only tricky one in this song. But you start slow and then you gradually get up to tempos. So where tempo is kind of like where we were before. But don't play that until you're comfortable with it slow. It doesn't really help if you can't play it right. So make sure you have it right steady, slowly, and then bring it up to speed.